So we are going to move to lab 3, which is a hands-on lab for creating an encrypted home directory with adduser command. So right now we are on our Ubuntu version 22.4 virtual machine, and the first thing we have to do in achieving this task is to install our library. The library encrypt fs utils. This is done by the command sudo apt install the name of the library, which is encrypt fs utils. We have to authenticate as always. Okay, we can notice that the package has already been installed. So the next thing we need to do is to create a user account with an encrypted home directory for a given user, let's say Cleopatra, and we're going to view the results. So I'm going to clear this for more visibility. So we're going to proceed by creating the user Cleopatra with the adduser function. I'm going to use our library that we just installed, the encrypt fs utils library, which is used to encrypt the home directory, and we include the name of the user, which we agree to be Cleopatra. Okay, we have to hold on some few seconds. Now we are prompted to input a password for Cleopatra, which we definitely have to do. We type the password for authentication. Okay, we input some basic information in relation to the user we are creating. After it's been done, we save the information. So the user, you can see the message that pops up. The user Cleopatra has been added to the group users. So let's try to view Cleopatra's home directory and see what we have. /home. Okay, you can see that we have a user Cleopatra added to our group users. So now we are going to log in as Cleopatra and run the encrypt fs unwrap passphrase command. I'm going to clear this for more visibility. So we're going to switch to Cleopatra. We have to input Cleopatra's password. Okay, you can notice that we have switched to the user Cleopatra. So now we are going to run the encrypt unwrap passphrase command. Encrypt fs unwrap passphrase. Okay, let's input a given passphrase. Let's say okay, you can see the passphrase has been encrypted, and that is the encryption of the passphrase. So this brings us to the end of this exercise, which was to create an encrypted home directory with the adduser for a given user.